Hey guys, and we're back today for another tutorial on how to recover deleted files. Now in front of me I have here a SD card, and as you can see there's no files on it. Even if we go over to view and we have hidden items enabled, there is nothing on this drive. So the software we're going to be using today is called Panda Recovery. It's one of the better ones I've found. They don't charge you anything and it's pretty simple to use. So down here we have a list, and we can see that this device is named the same as our device we just saw in the my computer. So we're going to click on it, and as you can see there's no files displayed on it, which is the same as in the Explorer. So we're going to come over here and we're going to try and scan the device, and it's going to take a few seconds, and I'm going to pause the video for you, and then we're going to come back. So guys, we're back, and as you can see we have image files that were found during the scan. This is not, you know, noticed. It used to be my card for my dash cam, so as you can probably guess there's dash cam pictures all over it. So if you want to recover this file, you simply click recover to and save it to your desktop. So I'm going to save it as dash cam. And you can see the details, see it was finished, and there you go, there's our image recovered from our SD card. Now this will work exactly the same with files, with pictures, with video, with anything that is stored on a media drive, providing it has not been overwritten too many times. There should have been more pictures on here and there should have been video, but because of the amount of times that the card was read-written, some of them are lost permanently. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, smack a like on it, and until next time.